Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download the necessary files in order for you to run lolwildrift in your device. But just a quick disclaimer, you should have already pre-registered your account at the Play Store. So let's start! So these are the files that you need to download. Don't worry, I'm going to provide all the links in the description box below. Now, let's download first the APK file. Click on the link and wait for it to load. Now, click download. Once you finish downloading it, download the OBB file. Click on the link. Wait for it to load. And hit download. Once you're download, proceed to the third application. Click on the link. This will redirect you to Play Store. Once you're done downloading it, open the application, and this will be the interface. Now, look for the download folder. And this will show you the lolwildrift APK and its OBB file. The next step is let's extract the OBB file by clicking it and choose the fourth option, extract followed by the dots. And next step, click on the folder with the arrow sign going up. So in this portion, look for the Android folder. And click OBB. Once you're done, click the circle with a color green on it. And then that should be it. So the next step, hit back to your download folder, click the application, open it, and install the application. So once you're done, the lolwildrift logo will appear in your interface. Click on the application and sign in your Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching.